Well, now it's time to start our embroidery. For the embroidery you need an embroidery hoop, and it must be smaller than your fabric, of course, and bigger than your pattern. Let's put, if you have a plastic embroidery hoop like I have, you need to first unscrew the screw. And linen is a bit thicker material, so we need to make more space. Need to insert the fabric. And we will also need to pull the fabric, because the fabric must be fairly tightly inserted. Here we have. We need to pull. Here, do you see? And then we need to tighten the screw.